Thank you very much, Toastmaster Yugandhar Prasad. Can we have a little bigger round of applause for him? He has a very appropriate feet size. The feet size which suits any shoe in Toastmasters. You call it Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster of the Day, Table Topic Master, everything he fits in. We are proud to have him with us here. Fellow Toastmasters and most welcome guests, Assalamu alaikum and good evening.
Walaikum assalam.
I welcome you into the business session of today's meeting. As the Sergeant at Arms had pointed out, we in Toastmasters create a mutually supportive environment wherein this environment helps in developing communication and leadership skills. Friends, this particular phrase reminds me of a short story I would like to share with you all this evening. There was a lady who, after her death, requested that she passes by hell before going into heaven. This is an imaginary story. She just wanted to see how was hell. She went in and there was a huge table with a lot of delicious food served on the table. There were people sitting around the table. And she said, "Is this hell?" The guardian angel said, "Yes. But look at their arms." All the people sitting around the table had their arms with the elbows straight. They can't bend their elbows. By which they were really not able to take the food and reach it to their mouths. They were struggling. They were lifting the food, but it can't reach their mouths. Out of hunger, they were weeping and crying. Food in front of them, they can't eat. She said, "Oh my God, this is hell." And she passed into heaven. They entered heaven. Surprisingly, there was a similar table there. Similar delicious food and people sitting around them. The lady asked the guardian angel, "Can these people bend their elbows?" The angel said, "No, they can't." She asked the angel, "So what is the difference between the people in hell and these people in heaven?" The angel said, "These people are taught how to feed others." They take the food and feed others, and others feed them. This is what we do in Toastmasters. This is for the information of the guests. Here everybody is trained to help others, which means that they do get a lot of help and support in return. Fellow Toastmasters, today I would like to take the opportunity of honoring our supermarket of Toastmasters. He has everything in stock. When you talk about Toastmasters, he is a supermarket. He had finished his CC and CL some time back, and due to some delays, there was a delay in receiving his badge. So I would request one of our club's Lone Star, Toastmaster Abubakar Nazir, to come on stage to honor Toastmaster Ranil Vajrakumar.
Toastmaster Abubakar Nasir is the first Toastmaster who got the award CC from Diamond Toastmasters Club, and I am lucky enough to received CL from the first awarded Toastmasters.
Thank you. It is my honor to give such a wonderful Toastmaster Toastmaster Vajira to give his CCCLP. Thank you, President.
Thank you very much. Fellow Toastmasters, as this short story goes, just in continuation to that, in the recent past when we ordered some material supply from Toastmasters International, we also ordered some pamphlets. These are free issue pamphlets from Toastmasters International, which we had ordered and we have received it last week. These pamphlets, it gives a brief introduction on what is Toastmasters, how it helps people in achieving excellence in communication and leadership. So we are planning to visit certain corporations, certain corporates or big companies around the locality and provide this information to them so that they get to know about Toastmasters, they get to know about Diamond Toastmasters Club, and they do visit us as guests and eventually join our club. So we would like to have certain information from you, like if you feel that there are some companies around who are potential to encourage their employees to join Diamond Toastmasters, please feel free to give us that information either to myself or Vice President of Education Toastmaster Yasser Irfan, so that we can form a team of either 2 or 3 members, visit them and promote our club. In turn, we are trying to help them to help us. I also have a new member today, a new member who's going to join us. He's been a guest, he's been visiting our club for quite some time. He's showing a lot of interest in joining Diamond Toastmasters Club. He's Mr. Jason. He is working in Remal Electric as a sales and marketing manager. He joined Remal in 1998 January as a sales engineer, and later he was promoted to assistant sales manager, and he seeks the help of Diamond Toastmasters Club to progress higher up in his career. He started his career with Popular Switchgears, Nasik in Maharashtra. His native place is Malayattur in Kerala state. He prefers and he loves to have a calm and simple life. May I request the Sergeant Arms to please escort Mr. Jason James, Mr. Jason outside the club for a while. Fellow Toastmasters, this particular gentleman, Mr. Jason, has conveyed his interest in joining Diamond Toastmasters Club. Can we have, by show of hands, the acceptance from you members to have him join our club? We have a quorum and all the members present here have confirmed their acceptance. Can I request the Sergeant at Arms to escort Mr. Jason back? Mr. Jason? Congratulations, Mr. Jason. All members have accepted to have you in our club. Thank you. And can I invite upon Toastmaster Iqbal Mohsin to join us on stage and do the honor of presenting him the icebreaking manual copy. So you are now on called Toastmaster Jason. Fellow Toastmasters, just a little information. We have also informed the area, asking them for the dates of the officers training, which is be scheduled this term for the ExCom. So I haven't got the dates. Once I receive the dates, it will be conveyed to all the ExCom members for the officers training to schedule for this term. Is there any